Welcome, everyone. Let's see who's faster at math. Kids or parents? Ready? Let's go. What is 6 times 4? 24. What is 3 times 7? 21. What is 5 times 8? 40. What is 9 times 9? 81. What is 11 times 3? 33. What is 6 times 7? The answer is 42. Next. 36. 2 times 9? 18. What is 2 times 12? 24. What is 10 times 10? 100.
What is 8 times 4? 32. 6 times 9? 54. What is 12 times 4? 48. What is 11 times 7? 77. 8 times 8? 64. Division section. What is 36 divided by 6? 6. What is 24 divided by 6? 4. What is 32 divided by 8? 4. What is 18 divided by 3? 6. What is 56 divided by 7? 8. What is 63 divided by 9? 7. What is 90 divided by 9? 10. What is 48 divided by 6? 8. What is 27 divided by 3? 9. What is 55 divided by 5? 11. What is 12 divided by 4? 3. What is 60 divided by 12? 5. What is 84 divided by 7? 12. What is 99 divided by 11? 9. What is 18 divided by 6? 3. Awesome work, everyone. How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next quiz.